the poop. At school, we were doing a pool. You know the kind of thing. Strips of wood. Project was Holland.
Very do.
My friend Hans from Holland. And we made and stuck blue strips of paper onto white strips of cheese. They were
Canals.
And we kept talking about cheese and cheese. When I was 1, I burned my brother's face. When I was 2, I fucked my mum. When I was 3, I started getting fed. When I was 4, I ate the dog's cum. When I was 5, I was killing people. When I was 6, I began to eat toenails. When I was 7, I fucked 2-year-old kids. When I was 8, I became 1 for murder. When I was 9, I locked my dad in the fridge. When I was 10, they made me keel over and die.